Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download SD Maid and remove duplicate files, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, unlock your Android device and open the Google Play Store. In the Play Store's search bar, type SD Maid and tap on the search icon. Locate the SD Maid app in the search results. Tap on the SD Maid app to open its details page. On the app page, you will see an install button. Tap the install button to start downloading the app. Once the download is complete, tap open to launch SD Maid. If prompted, grant the necessary permissions for the app to function effectively. Now that the app is open, you'll see several options available on the main screen. Select the duplicates option to begin the process of removing duplicate files. Once in the duplicates section, tap on the scan button to start searching for duplicate files. The app will analyze your device and display a list of detected duplicates. Review the list carefully, as it may include files you want to keep. Select the duplicate files you wish to remove by checking the boxes next to them. After making your selections, find and tap the delete button to remove the duplicates. Confirm your action when prompted, to ensure you want to proceed with the deletion. The app will now remove the selected duplicate files from your device. Once the process is complete, you will see a summary of the files deleted. You can exit the app or explore additional features as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and if you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.